Alright guys, now we're going to show you how to combine both of them together. So what we're going to do is do a wall followed by a waterfall. So as you see, there's not much to it. You can vary depending on how you want to do it. Do a 3/4 waterfall or a full waterfall. It all depends on you. So we'll do it again. So as you can see, it's about the same doing both of them separately as it is together. It just takes a little bit more confidence to do everything a little bit lower. But other than that, it's a pretty basic routine to get a hang of for people trying to learn 3D. And that's how to combine the wall and waterfall together.